Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-sodium sauerkraut. First, select fresh, firm cabbage heads, as their quality significantly impacts the final product. Next, prepare your cabbage by removing any outer damaged leaves and then shredding it finely. Aim for thin strips, about 1/8 of an inch thick, to ensure the salt can effectively draw out moisture. For a low-sodium version, a good starting point is 1 1/2 teaspoons of non-iodized salt for every 5 pounds of cabbage. Once your cabbage is shredded, sprinkle the measured salt evenly over it. Now, the most important step, massaging. Vigorously massage the cabbage with your hands for 10 to 15 minutes. This action breaks down the cell walls, encouraging the cabbage to release its natural juices. You will notice a significant amount of liquid accumulating at the bottom of your bowl, which will become the brine for fermentation. This brine is essential for keeping the cabbage submerged. Transfer the massaged cabbage and its brine into a clean, food-grade fermentation vessel, such as a glass jar or crock. Pack it down very tightly, pressing out any air pockets. Use a weight, like a smaller jar filled with water or a fermentation weight, to keep all the cabbage submerged beneath the brine. This prevents mold growth. Place your vessel in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal fermentation. Your sauerkraut will typically ferment for 3 to 6 weeks, though taste it periodically to achieve your preferred level of tanginess. During this time, check it every few days to ensure the cabbage remains submerged and to skim off any calm yeast or mold that might form on the surface. Once it reaches your desired flavor, transfer the sauerkraut to smaller jars and store it in the refrigerator. It will keep well for several months, continuing to develop flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.